5 Best Investing Apps for Beginners. A good investing app should allow you to manage your financial activities, transfer funds to investment accounts, and keep tabs on expenditures. You should also be able to instantly trade stocks, track your account in real time, learn about the markets, and do a lot more. Today, there are so many investment apps available in the market. With all these options, how do you know which one is the perfect app for you? You'll find out soon enough because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 investment apps for beginners. I'm going to share with you the pros and cons of each app, and you all have to figure out what works for you. Hi there, welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Just a disclaimer, this is not financial advice, and it's just for entertainment purposes only. With that said, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. Acorns. First on the list is Acorns. For those who want to start investing but lack the time to do so, or don't want to be stressed about it, this app is for you. Acorns will do all the work for you for a monthly fee of only $3. This involves rounding up transactions to invest spare change automatically, making automated transfers, saving in retirement accounts, receiving banking benefits, and using an entirely automated investment plan. This app also allows you to invest your funds in a diverse array of ETFs. For both of its pricing tiers, including Acorns Personal and Acorns Family. The biggest advantage of this app is that it's totally beginner-friendly. This is one of the best investment apps for beginners, and it's specially designed for novice investors who are just getting started with a new investment. It's also perfect for those who don't want to be involved in day-to-day trading. You can make deposits to your investment account, sit back and relax, let Acorns do the work for you. Now let's go to the pros and cons of this app. Let's go over the pros first. Acorns has so many benefits for beginner investors. One of these is automatic investment, which requires you to take a short test, and after that, you will automatically be placed in an appropriate category, like if you're high risk or low risk investor. And from then, you can choose your investment type. They also have educational contents, which help you identify taxable and non-taxable investments. And the best thing about this app is that it's anxiety-free. You don't need to worry when the stock market is down because someone else is doing the job for you. Now, for the cons of this app. Acorns doesn't charge per transaction, but as I mentioned earlier, this app has a monthly fee. This might be a turn-off for some investors, but personally, I believe it's worth it to spend $3 to $5 monthly if it saves you time and effort, and you can be sure that all your accounts are managed and secured well. Robinhood. But if you don't want to be charged monthly, Robinhood might be the app for you. Robinhood was an early adopter of the no-commission brokerage model. It is still a good option for beginners because it allows them to purchase stocks, ETFs, and other cryptocurrencies with no commissions. These are the pros of Robinhood. Traditional stock and ETF investors can use Robinhood for free. They also offer premium accounts with additional features for a monthly fee beginning at $5. Robinhood offers no commission crypto trading for a wide range of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. Basically, you don't pay commission while trading UI stocks and EFTs. This app also includes cash management accounts. Robinhood is also beginner-friendly as it's very easy to use. Now let's talk about the cons of Robinhood. Despite the benefits of this app, it also has some issues that you might want to think about carefully. In the past, there have been issues with downtime and sketchy trades, wherein users are prompted to participate in exceedingly dangerous deals without them understanding how it works. As with any investment app, it's critical that you're aware of the risks associated with investments and trading. But it's also vital that your investment platform will do everything they can to help you make informed decisions and prevent unforeseen losses. Public.com. When you're new to the stock market, it can be intimidating to conduct your own research and select stocks and other investments. But Public is here to help you. This app combines social media features like Twitter and Facebook with classic brokerage features. This app is perfect for beginners studying the investment market. Here, you can follow expert investors and view their portfolios. You can make group chats with your investor friends and join live conversations and events. You can also invest in 27 cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Take note, however, that Public isn't available in Guam, Virgin Islands, and New York. They also charge a markup of 1 to 2% for your transactions. You can also invest a large number of supported firms without having to buy a complete share, thanks to fractional shares that start at $5. Even if it doesn't offer every popular investment kind, it does a wonderful job of covering stocks and ETFs for novice investors, as well as seasoned investors trying to refine their investment techniques. So, for the pros of this app, as I mentioned, the user interface is very easy to navigate and it's very interactive. You can engage with other investors and interact with them like you normally would in Facebook and Twitter. This would really help you build a community and support. They also have fractional shares, so you can invest without paying that much amount of money. Now for the cons of Public. It has a limited availability and it can be costly to use because you have to pay transaction fees. Of course, when there's a transaction fee, your trading might be limited. You don't want to be charged every time you trade, right? So that's it for this app. I'll let you think about it. Weeble. Next on the list is Weeble. Weeble allows commission-free trade on stocks, options, ETFs, and crypto with no minimums required, much like Robinhood. Users can also purchase fractional shares and IPOs. Although both Robinhood and Weeble are excellent solutions for active traders, Weeble supports IRAs, or traditional Roth and rollover, at the moment, allowing customers to manage both their retirement money and their equities in one location. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this app. For the pros, Weeble offers real-time quotations. It's the ideal alternative for short-term investment and cost-free trading. It's perfect for novice and intermediate investors. It also provides opportunities for fractional investing. Some stock sells for between $500 and $600 only per share. If you're interested, they also provide a free trading options simulator so you know exactly how your investment is broken down. Now, the cons of this app is that their educational platform is not keeping up. It doesn't contain as much information as other sites due to help you learn about stocks and investing. So, if you're looking for an investment app where you can also find resources, unfortunately, Weeble may not be the app for you. Sophie. Last but not the least, we have Sophie. Sophie is the best pick for newbies because of its simple-to-use interface and affordable prices. At Sophie Invest, you can start investing with just $1 and pay no trade commissions or ongoing account fees. Even Sophie Automated Investing's managed portfolio service, where your ETFs are fully selected and managed for you, is available for free. The software makes it simple to browse potential investing options by including stocks and ETFs that are classified. Although the investment information is not the most thorough, there is plenty to get you going and help you make trading choices. In addition to trading crypto, the app also offers materials on investment education. But keep in mind that Sophie adds a 1.25% markup to cryptocurrency transactions. Sophie provides free financial planning consultations for all subscribers in addition to other perks outside of the app. You can collaborate with certified financial planners or CFPs who can assist you in achieving your objectives. Sophie is a great place to start if you're new to investing and need assistance putting together an investment strategy. So, let's sum up the pros and cons of this app. As I mentioned, Sophie is perfect for beginners because their platform has all the information you need to get started in investing. They even have free financial consultations, so you can have more support. I suggest you try Sophie because they really cater to beginners who might be lost or confused with trading stuff. For the cons, they charge a transaction fee when you trade. It really isn't ideal when you're just starting out or you have low capital. So, you might want to consider if your capital can accommodate transaction fees. So, there you have it. These are the 5 investment apps for beginners. Now you can start your investment journey, whether you're knowledgeable about investing or you're just getting started. I hope you learned a lot from this video, so you can up your investing game right away. Do you want to know how to make money online? If you do, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!